There is a sound heard across the world that defies science. The mysterious hum heard across the world might sound like a legend, but historical accounts, scientific studies, and eyewitness reports suggest otherwise. This strange event has been documented through old records, photographs, and in some cases, physical evidence that refuses to fit into modern explanations. Experts from multiple fields have tried to study it: geologists, historians, physicists, and each investigation seems to uncover more questions than answers. In local communities, the story is passed down like folklore, yet many details line up perfectly with what little science has been able to confirm. Some believe the explanation lies in rare natural phenomena, while others are convinced it points to hidden technology or lost civilizations. There are even those who think it's evidence of something far more mysterious, something that defies our understanding of the natural world entirely. From strange patterns in the environment to government files that never saw the light of day, the deeper you dig into the mysterious hum heard across the world, the more unsettling it becomes. And after hearing the full story, you might never see the world the same way again. Stay curious and subscribe for more mind-bending mysteries.